Hi everyone, today I am at Woodlawn Beach Boat Ramp. This is a boat ramp in Gulf Breeze, Florida, right off Soundside Drive. It is a single lane boat ramp, as you can see, and it does have a pier as well and a nice walkway. So here is the ramp itself, a little bit more on the pier. Woodlawn Beach Boat Ramp is centrally located in Midway area. We are in Gulf Breeze, but specifically the Midway neighborhood. Woodlawn Boat Ramp is right off Soundside Drive, which is a long strip here in Gulf Breeze, has many houses, many neighborhoods, and it also is very close to 98. So just up that road, maybe a half a mile, you're gonna be on Highway 98, which means you can be here in probably less than 5 minutes. So this is a boat ramp that a lot of locals here use, and I am walking to show you just how spacious the parking area is. And as I round the corner, you can see a little bit of depth here to this parking lot. So you do have quite a bit of parking, single boat ramp, and you are also centrally located here in Midway, Florida.